and welcome back to another video of Car Crash Bully, and stay tuned for the other videos of this game too. Let's start. Okay, we're starting. Okay, pick a car. Next video of this we'll be trying the buses. Stay tuned for that video too. But first we're going to be trying this car on traffic. We are going to try and do no damage. Like literally no damage. So last video we only done a no damage challenge at the end. We only done a no damage challenge at the end last video. But this time we're doing the no damage challenge all video. Okay. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I've already got damage. Yeah, let's try that again. Okay, that. Let's do that again. Let's get some speed. And then. Okay, no, you know what? What the? Bro just got lifted off the app. That is done with the traffic one. Let's go to the next map. Okay, this map is Rockford. Let's try it in the dodge. Oh gosh, what? No! I don't have damage. Yay! Yay! No! 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 No, okay, yeah, Go, get out. No, I can't see any damage on me. Go! No! Let's go. No! I got damage at the end. Well, on to the next map. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, leave me alone. The last map we're going to test on is Smash. Let's load in. And we've loaded in. Super speed. Okay, no damage. No. Oh my gosh, we took damage. No, let's just finish off our car. And we're going to redo this again. Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! Okay, let's restart. Let's go back. Let's see the cars now. We're going to see if I can order a good amount of cars. What? Get out. No! Oh my, I didn't crash him. He deserved to be crashed. Okay, we're doing it again, because this guy, right here, is being an idiot, a blind idiot, and let's do it again. So, crash into him even though I really want to. That was close. Let's try and overtake this guy. Overtake. Bruh. I didn't take any damage, but he definitely did. It's nearly 5 minutes into this video, so let's just crash the car. Maybe this guy. Hooray. The actual revenge. Come on. I need, this guy needs more damage than that. Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! Get out of here. And bye guys. Stay tuned for the next video.